everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Paola and thank you for clicking on my video. This is my first video, so I am excited because today I am gonna make a video about my new Zala extensions. I just got them in today, so I am so excited to really get to see what they look like. I got them in and I got them in this really nice bag. They actually have really nice packaging. Got my hair extensions. Yay, finally. This is what comes in it. And I am so excited because it feels pretty heavy. And let's go ahead and take a look at it. So I'm going to take this little slip off of it. And here it is. I did a lot of research on these extensions. I am a big extension person. I love to get new extensions. I love to wear them, and really the enjoyment of getting new ones to me is so fun. It's so nice. I bought so many different kind. I can't even tell you how many. I probably spent so much money on hair extensions. It's not even funny, but they're fun. They really are. You get to color them. You get to just have your hair short, have your hair long whenever you want to, and I just love it. My hair is really short. Hopefully I can make a video on applying these, but I really got these hair extensions to match another pair that I got that were given to me. So I wanted to add a little bit more fullness to it. So I got these, and so far it looks like the color matches. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is what the box looks like. It's so beautiful. I actually really like it. So that's what it looks like. And then so of course, you know, you have to be careful because if the colors don't match, you have to return it, or I mean, you can do what you want with it, but they do have like a little warranty on them. So you have to be careful how far you open them. So I like how right here it says, opening this box will not void your warranty, which is really cool because at first I thought that if I open this, will I be able to exchange them if they don't fit my colors? So thankfully that's there. And I like that they have some care tips here in the back. Honestly, they did a really nice job with their packaging. Definitely 10 out of 10 on that. I really like it. And it feels heavy, which is cool. So then you can open it here. Looks like it's just Velcro. And this is, again, my first time buying from Zala. So I guess it comes with this little kit right here. And it's just insane. Their packaging is amazing because it holds up really well. Let's take that off. And let's see what's in here. Okay. So it looks like it comes with hair extension shampoo, the conditioner, and hair extension treatment, Revive Me. So that's really cool. I've never bought extensions that came with these. I can't believe it. That's really cool. It looks like actually in the back there's a treatment in there as well. That the blue packaging in the back that you can see right there. That's really cool. But that's awesome. Okay, and then right here, let's see. It has what those products are. Okay, so it's just a little like menu about it. The shampoo, the conditioner, and the hair treatment. And so then we come in here and we take the hair extensions out. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. So I got the balayage ones, and I'm so sorry, I don't remember what the name of mine are. The color of these is, let's see. I don't have the name on them, but I'll find out for you and I'll put that in the description box. Okay, so let's go ahead. I honestly do believe that these are the perfect color for them. It's gonna be just right. And actually, I'm wearing some right now, so I think these are perfect. And I did speak to a specialist before this. They really were good with replying. They gave out so much information. I have to say that I was very surprised. And like I said, I bought from so many websites. Man, I've probably worn extensions for probably more than 10, 11, maybe 12 years now. And you know, I know a lot about them. So they were great on replying to me, and they did ask me if I wanted to color match. I sent them a picture of the extensions I was trying to match, and they said it was perfect, that they looked like the color was right. So let's see. So I'm taking them out of the bag right now. Okay, so that's the warranty seal. So this is, once this is broken, you cannot return them. But look at those colors. They're so beautiful. And if you want to know what colors these are, this is probably like a level 4. On the level for the hair, there's 1 through 12, 1 being the black and 12 being platinum blonde. This is a level 4, and I would say this is probably a level 7. I think that in their website it does show that. So that really helped me. To me, if you can tell me what colors they are in level, I'm all in, because I understand it. So these are perfect. And one thing that really attracted me to Zala itself was that the thickness. They're thick from the top all the way down to the bottom, and I can actually really see that. A lot of hair extensions are not like that. So these are absolutely beautiful. They're very soft. I cannot wait to try these on. And like I said, I am going to mix these up with some other ones, because that's really why I wanted them. I can see what they look like alone, just to kind of give it a shot. But wow, look at how beautiful these are. Wow. Start from the top. Wow. And they're thick at the bottom. That is really, really good. I like that. These, I'm wearing my bigger pieces with the bigger, with the longer clips on them, but this is the one that I wanted to color match it to. So far it looks like, sorry, it's a little curly because I didn't blow dry it yet, but obviously the ombre is a little bit lower, but as long as the bottom colors match, that's all that matters to me. And it looks like they're pretty darn close. That's what I wanted. So now I can put these on and, you know, blend them in. So even the root color, let's see, even the root color is pretty close as well. So far, I think these are the ones. I really like them. And I don't know where these are from, unfortunately. I really liked them. And I didn't know where else to look. I did my research and I found that Zala was the #1 that I wanted to try. So, like I said, these were gifted to me. So I really like those. But I can't wait to put these on. And I will make a video on these and do like a try on alone and mix with my other ones, and we'll see what they look like. Oh, and the cool thing is that it also comes with 2 extra clips here at the bottom. So that's really cool. I like when they come with it, because sometimes, you know, your clip breaks, you kind of clip it too hard, it gets loose. Sometimes it does that thing where it doesn't clip anymore. But so it really helps. Because I am going to keep them, I am going to undo these and see what they look like opened. That's my dog breathing. This is what the warranty seal looks like. It's like a little zip tie. So that is off, and make sure, don't forget to take this off and don't throw those away. They come in handy. And that's what they look like. How exciting. Let's see. Let's see if I can just take this thing off like this. You can. Okay, so this is what one of the wefts looks like, and it has the 4 clips, which is really cool because it goes around the head. One thing that I do notice about extensions often is when they're super shiny. I'm not a super big fan of that, but I think that once you wash them at least once and start styling them, you know, it'll look different. That's kind of one thing about these. They're a little different, but it looks like a beautiful color regardless. So matches perfect. They're beautiful. Look at that. So I can't wait to try these on. And this is what the wefts look like. There we go. Very pretty. So thank you so much for watching. Tune in for the next one to see what these look like on.